For as long as we've looked up at the night sky, we've asked the same profound questions. Are we alone? Is there another world out there like ours? For now, Earth is the only place in the entire universe we know for certain is teeming with life. But let's be real, it's a huge universe. The idea that we're the only one seems, well, a little unlikely, doesn't it? The story of life on Earth is a story of adaptation. Life didn't just appear in perfect conditions. It evolved and shaped itself to fit the world it was given. So, what if life elsewhere did the same? Could there be life forms fundamentally different from us, hiding in plain sight, either within our solar system or far beyond? This is the great cosmic hunt. Astronomers are like detectives, searching for clues and following a specific set of criteria to find Earth's twin. They're focused on planets similar in size to ours, orbiting their stars in a special region called the Habitable Zone. So, what are these criteria? What have we found so far? And which of these distant worlds are our best candidates for a second home? Let's find out. Our story begins with a true hero of exploration, the Kepler Space Telescope. Though its primary mission is over, the data it collected is a treasure trove that scientists are still digging through. And what it found is nothing short of revolutionary. Kepler confirmed the existence of thousands of exoplanets, many of which are similar in size to Earth. This new class of planets was crowned super-Earths. The most exciting part? Many of these super-Earths orbit within their star's habitable zone, often called the Goldilocks zone. Analogy time? Think of it like toasting a marshmallow. Too close to the fire, and it burns like Venus. Too far, and it stays frozen. The habitable zone is that perfect distance where the temperature is just right for liquid water to exist on the surface. And where there's water, there's a chance for life as we know it. Let's look at a real example. Meet Kepler-69c, a super-Earth about 1.7 times the size of our planet. Initially, scientists were buzzing with excitement because it orbits a star very similar to our Sun, right in its habitable zone. But here's the catch. Its star is slightly hotter and brighter than our Sun. This pushes the habitable zone further out. Kepler-69c orbits its star at a distance similar to Venus in our solar system. The result? Surface temperatures could be a blistering 275 degrees Celsius, 527 degrees Fahrenheit. Definitely not a vacation spot for us. So, is there a cooler option? You bet. Let's travel to Kepler-62f. This super-Earth is about 1.4 times the size of Earth and orbits a star that's smaller and cooler than our Sun. It completes its year in 267 days and sits comfortably in the middle of its star's habitable zone. This sounds much more promising, right? But wait, a planet's location isn't everything. The real game changer is its atmosphere. An atmosphere can make or break a planet's habitability. Think of it as a planetary thermostat. A thick atmosphere with greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane can trap heat, turning a chilly world into a cozy haven. However, there's a dark side. The stars these super-Earths orbit, often red dwarfs, are known for being fussy. They can unleash powerful flares of radiation that could strip a planet of its atmosphere, leaving it barren and lifeless. So, even a planet in the perfect spot could be a cosmic wasteland if its star has a bad temper. Interestingly, scientists have detected signs of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, and water vapor on some exoplanets. On Earth, these can be biosignatures, signs of life. But they can also be produced by volcanic activity, so it's not definitive proof yet. And this is where the next chapter of our story begins, with the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST. Launched in 2021, this incredible observatory is the successor to Hubble and is designed to peer deeper into the universe than ever before. One of its primary missions is to analyze the atmospheres of exoplanets with incredible detail. JWST can detect the chemical fingerprints of these distant worlds, looking for water, methane, and even oxygen. Imagine if Webb looked at Kepler-62f and found an atmosphere rich in oxygen. On Earth, that's a telltale sign of photosynthesis. Could it mean alien forests or oceans filled with plankton? We haven't found definitive proof of life yet, but every new observation from Webb brings us closer. We're moving from just finding planets to actually understanding them. So are we alone? The honest answer is, we still don't know. But for the first time in human history, we have the tools to find out. The universe is vast and full of mysteries, and the hunt for another Earth is one of the greatest adventures humanity has ever embarked on. What do you think? Is there life out there? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey through the cosmos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives into the great unknown. Thanks for watching, and never stop looking up.